Okay, everything's securely mounted. RCAs are neatly routed. Wire tight to keep them from pulling out of the DSP. DSP securely mounted. Proper speaker adapters that clear the fairing. Or all 4 bolts, all 4 screws. Wires are soldered. This is the spot for the radio. We still have to make a bracket for it. And then a water cover over the whole thing. But it is a huge difference from the way it came in. Nice, neat, serviceable. He's not going to have any issues in the future. Okay, we made an aluminum bracket and the radio's bolted in place. So it's nice and secure now. And now we just got to install the water cover from 309 Audio, 309 Custom Audio. It's going to protect the radio, the amplifiers, and the DSP. We drilled and tapped the factory aluminum bracket. That way we can mount the water cover in. Just like that.
Well, you got my whole life flipping. They say I'm losing, just can't seem to kick my grip, baby. We all cry when we feel pain, when love is gone, we're not the same. It ain't no question of rain. It's
what you came for. Don't you wish you came more? Girl, what you playing for? Come on, let me kiss that.